planet full of mysteries, where rare moments flash only once in millions of years, leaving you in awe of its unimaginable power and beauty. From rivers ablaze with vibrant colors to eternal flames defying time, today we embark on a journey to explore 35 wondrous natural phenomena never seen before on our planet. Are you ready to step into a world where science intertwines with magic? Hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to join us in unveiling nature's secrets. Let's begin this journey right now. Towering tsunami. Kicking off our journey is a terrifying force from the ocean. The towering tsunami, deep in the ocean's heart. Tsunamis reaching up to 100 feet form from undersea earthquakes. Traveling at speeds exceeding 500 miles per hour, they sweep away everything in their path. In an instant, an entire city can vanish, like the Earth's roaring cry. Undersea volcano eruption. While the ocean roars, spectacular explosions hide beneath its depths. In the ocean's abyss, volcanoes erupt with lava hotter than 2,000 degrees Fahrenheit, creating new islands in the blink of an eye. The seawater boils, and gas bubbles explode in a performance straight from an alien planet. Carnivorous plants. Not only do oceans roar and deep seas harbor danger, but dark swamps hold their own bizarre wonders. Carnivorous plants. In shadowy marshes, these plants hunt with terrifying precision. Their traps snap shut in less than 1 second, turning insects into liquid with enzymes. They are silent assassins, defying nature's rules. And if plants can hunt, water can also challenge every law. Reverse waterfall. When winds gust over 70 miles per hour, waterfalls defy gravity, soaring upward like surreal mist. Only a perfect gust creates this enchanting spectacle, as if nature is rewriting the laws of physics. But nature doesn't just amaze with water, it also dazzles with vibrant colors. Color-changing chameleon. Chameleons shift colors in 20 seconds, thanks to nanocrystals under their skin that reflect light for camouflage or to express mood. It's a biological magic trick, like a living painting crafted by nature. And when night falls, nature continues to glow in its own way. Glowing mushrooms. Deep in humid forests, glowing mushrooms produce bioluminescent light, attracting insects to spread their spores. A reaction between luciferin and oxygen creates an eerie green glow lasting over 24 hours. Like a corner of the forest stepped out of science fiction. From bioluminescent light, let's move to a flame that never dies. The door to hell. In Turkmenistan, a 200-foot-wide crater has burned continuously for over 50 years. Known as the door to hell, methane flames rage unendingly, and strange bacteria survive nearby, hinting at extraterrestrial life. This is a mystical portal into the Earth's core. But if flames can burn forever, the sky also holds moments of calm amidst chaos. Eye of the storm. At the heart of a raging storm lies the Eye, a tranquil oasis up to 25 miles wide, where the sky is clear and winds cease. But surrounding it, the eye wall roars with winds exceeding 150 miles per hour, a circle of chaos and serenity. Leaving the sky, dive into the ocean to witness an ancient dance. Barrel sponge spawning. On full moon nights, ancient barrel sponges release sperm and eggs in mere minutes, creating an underwater fireworks display, happening only a few times each year. This synchronized evolutionary dance is a secret from the ocean's depths. But the ocean doesn't just hold life, it also harbors portals from prehistoric times. Great Blue Hole. In the Caribbean Sea, the Great Blue Hole is a 400-foot deep abyss containing ancient stalactites and a hydrogen sulfide layer that separates life. Like a gateway to an Earth millions of years old, it sends shivers down the spine with its timeless mystery. And if the ocean preserves ancient memories, the sky unleashes terrifying chaos. Supercell storm. Supercell storms unleash tornadoes, giant hail, and lightning all at once, with clouds towering over 50,000 feet. This is a cathedral of chaos, where nature displays its fearsome power. But not only the sky, even tiny creatures create monumental feats. Migratory birds. Arctic terns travel 44,000 miles each year, navigating by Earth's magnetic field through quantum processes in their eyes. This journey is a biological marvel, like a symphony of life across millions of years. From epic flights, let's descend to a land once lush. Sahara Desert. Once a verdant savanna, the Sahara is now the hottest desert, with temperatures exceeding 120 degrees Fahrenheit, holding remnants of ancient rivers and whale fossils. Every 20,000 years, it shifts from green to arid, like a history book of the Earth. But if the desert preserves the past, the sky brings stones from above. Hailstorm. During storms, hail forms from supercooled water droplets, sculpted by winds into large ice spheres. As they fall, they thunder like a storm, striking the ground with destructive force, like wrath from the heavens. And if nature can be fierce, it also creates moments too strange to believe. Tree-climbing goats. In Morocco, goats climb 30-foot argan trees to eat fruit, aiding seed dispersal and sustaining the ecosystem. This bizarre partnership is like a dance between animals and nature. But nature isn't just strange in trees, it also erupts underground. Hydrothermal explosion. When 2,000 degree Fahrenheit magma meets groundwater, a hydrothermal explosion sends steam and ash miles high, reshaping the landscape in moments. This is Earth's pressure cooker, a raw power that inspires awe. And if the Earth erupts, its surface holds rivers like paintings. Cano Cristales River. In Colombia, the Cano Cristales River becomes a liquid rainbow for a few months each year, thanks to the aquatic plant Macarenia clavigera. When the bloom fades, the colors vanish, like a fleeting masterpiece of nature. But nature doesn't just dazzle with color, it also sparks with fire and electricity. Volcanic lightning. When volcanoes erupt, ash creates static electricity, sparking lightning within the plume. This clash of fire and electricity is like a storm from Earth's core, chilling those who witness it. Leaving volcanic fire, dive into the ocean for another kind of storm. Sardine Run. Billions of sardines migrate off South Africa's coast, drawing dolphins, sharks, and seabirds into a chaotic feeding frenzy. This underwater storm is one of the planet's largest biomass migrations. But not only underwater on land, there are wonders that mirror the sky. Salar de Uyuni. In Bolivia, the world's largest salt flat becomes a giant mirror after rain, reflecting the sky with astonishing precision. Beneath lies valuable lithium reserves, like a hidden treasure of the Earth. Bioluminescent tide. Next, let's explore the bioluminescent tide. Dinoflagellate algae create an ethereal blue glow, turning the ocean into a shimmering tapestry. In the Maldives or Jervis Bay, waves crashing ashore form glowing trails like fairy dust. But behind the beauty lies a dangerous toxin, a warning from the sea. And if the ocean can glow, the sky can blaze with colors. Fire rainbow. Not a rainbow or fire, but iridescent clouds formed when sunlight refracts through ice crystals in cirrus clouds. Appearing only when the sun is higher than 58 degrees, this rare optical illusion is like a painting on the sky. But the sky isn't just radiant, it can also be terrifying. Animal rain. Frogs, fish, even spiders fall from the sky when powerful whirlwinds sweep them from rivers and lakes. Witnesses report hearing their cries, as if the sky is unleashing a nightmare. This phenomenon remains a mystery that baffles science. And if animals can fall from the sky, clouds can create surreal images. Nacreous clouds. At 15 to 25 kilometers high, nacreous clouds shimmer like oil on water in temperatures below -100 degrees Fahrenheit. Often seen in the Arctic and Antarctic, They are both stunning and concerning, linked to climate change through methane. But clouds don't just dazzle, they can open mysterious portals. Fall streak hole. Ice crystals collapsing in clouds create a massive hole, like a gateway to another dimension, often appearing before or after storms. This phenomenon sparks UFO comparisons, a cosmic enigma. And if clouds can open portals, fog can create magic. Fog bow. Called an albino rainbow, this phenomenon appears when light refracts through tiny fog droplets, creating a ghostly white arc, visible only in thick fog. It's like a specter hovering in the sky. But nature isn't just strange, it holds unsolved mysteries. Ball lightning. Mysterious glowing orbs float in the air, moving in erratic paths during storms. Some report them entering homes, hovering like living entities, then vanishing without a trace. Science still can't explain them, making them one of nature's most chilling enigmas. And if lightning can be mysterious, the sun can also multiply. Sundogs. Ice crystals in the air refract light, creating 2 or 3 false suns beside the real one. In ancient cultures, they were seen as omens, like whispers from the cosmos. But the sky doesn't just hold false suns, it also bears clouds that herald chaos. Mammatus clouds. These eerie, pouch-like clouds appear before or after thunderstorms, resembling dragon scales suspended in the sky. They signal atmospheric turmoil, a warning of nature's coming storm. And if clouds can foretell, the moon can turn blood red. Mammatus clouds. These eerie, pouch-like clouds appear before or after thunderstorms, resembling dragon scales suspended in the sky. They signal atmospheric turmoil, a warning of nature's coming storm. And if clouds can foretell, the moon can turn blood red. Snow rollers. Strong winds roll wet snow into cylindrical shapes, like natural sculptures, occurring only in perfect winter conditions. These rare winter wonders seem like living snowballs. And if snow can roll, light can stand still. Light pillars. Ice crystals reflect sunlight or streetlights, creating ethereal pillars of light, like frozen flames in the air. Beautiful, yet cold. They remind us of nature's harshness. But not only light ice can also spin. Ice circles. Water freezing in river eddies forms perfect circular ice discs, like natural UFOs on rivers, often seen in icy streams. These unique geological wonders feel like Earth at play. And from ice, let's move to magical green flames. 7-colored dunes. In Mauritius, dunes naturally separate into red, purple, green, and yellow layers, like a living painting. Locals call it the handprint of the gods, but science attributes it to iron and aluminum oxides. This is Earth's final masterpiece. Now, 7-colored dunes. In Mauritius, dunes naturally separate into red, purple, green, and yellow layers, like a living painting. Locals call it the handprint of the gods, but science attributes it to iron and aluminum oxides. This is Earth's final masterpiece. Now, let's reflect on this journey. To shimmering 7-colored dunes, we've witnessed 35 wondrous natural phenomena, rare moments where science and magic intertwine. Each phenomenon tells a story of life, adaptation, and Earth's timeless power. These mysteries remind us that our planet still holds countless secrets to explore. Which phenomenon did you find the most terrifying? Share your story in the comments. What mystery should we explore next? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to continue this cosmic journey with us. See you in the next video.